Alright guys, here's a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to check Apple Watch battery health. So if you have an Apple Watch and you want to check the battery capacity or the battery health level, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to find or check your Apple Watch battery life or health, all you need to do is go ahead and press the 2 crown once to exit the watch face and go to the app menu. On the app menu, locate and click on settings. Now, once you selected settings, you want to scroll down the settings page. You can also use your 2 crown to scroll down the settings page until you get to battery. So just scroll down the settings page until you get to battery. Once you have access to battery, go ahead and click on that. Then you should see your last charged. Here, the last charged was to 42%. Now, to check your battery health, click on battery health. And then you want to scroll down the battery health page. And then you should see your battery maximum capacity. So in this case, my Apple Watch battery health is still 100%. So if you have 80, 70, then that's exactly your battery health. So that is basically how to check Apple Watch battery health. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.